real-time bulletin on headlinesindia.com with me, Prabhash Dutta. First up, the top headlines. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh congratulates US President-elect Barack Obama. Bhimsen Joshi awarded Bharat Ratna. An army officer arrested for role in Malegaon blast. And Chiranjeevi's fans distribute X to protest attack on him. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh congratulated Barack Hussein Obama for winning the US presidential election. Singh said, and I quote, Obama's journey to the White House would inspire people not only in the US but also around the world. Obama is the first African American to become president of the United States. Obama rewrote American history on Tuesday by defeating his Republican rival John McCain in the presidential election. Obama secured 338 of the 538 votes against 159 secured by John McCain. He would be 44th President of the United States. He will be sworn in on January 20 next year. Indian classical vocalist Pandit Bhimsen Joshi will be honored with the highest civilian award of the country, Bharat Ratna. 88-year-old Joshi was born in Gadag district of Karnataka. He was honored with Padma Vibhushan in 1999 for his contribution to the Indian classical music. He was awarded with Padma Bhushan in 1985 and Padma Shri in 1972 as well. In 2005, the Karnataka government honored him with the Karnataka Samman. It's time for a short break now. Stay tuned. Welcome back. A serving Indian Army officer has been arrested by Maharashtra Anti-Terrorist Squad for his alleged involvement in the September 29 Malegaon blast that claimed 6 lives. Lieutenant Colonel Srikant Purohit was arrested on late Tuesday from Mumbai. He has been sent to Maharashtra ATS custody. The ATS began interrogating Purohit after his name cropped up in investigations following the arrest of 2 retired Indian Army officers for their role in Malegaon blast. Purohit is suspected to have helped bomb blast accused Sadhvi Pragya Thakur, retired Army Major Ramesh Upadhyay and his associate Sharad Kulkarni in procuring RDX that was used in the blast. Moving on in the bulletin, in an apparent show of Gandhigiri, supporters of actor turned politician Chiranjeevi today distributed X in different parts of Andhra Pradesh to launch their protest against attack on Chiranjeevi by Telangana Rashtra Samiti workers. Pragya Rajyam Chief Chiranjeevi had to face embarrassment at Narsanpet in Warangal district on Tuesday when some TRS activists hurled X at him during his ongoing yatra, as one of the X landed on his face as well. The TRS workers were protesting Chiranjeevi's stand on separate statehood of Telangana. That's all for now, but don't forget to join us tomorrow morning for our breakfast show. Till then, take care and keep logging on to our website www.headlinesindia.com for all the latest on India news.